To simplify a, I'm going to be able to divide my coefficients, and then I'm also going to be able to divide my powers that both have a base of b. So if I really break this up, we'll have 12 divided by 3, and then we'll have b to the power of 9 divided by b to the power of 4. And simplifying that, we would get 12 divided by 3 is 4. b9 divided by b4, we can use the quotient law, carry our base down, and then subtract the exponents. So I would just rewrite this as 4b to the power of 5. b is really similar. We're going to be able to divide coefficient with coefficient, and then power with a base of z with power of a base of z. Negative 24 divided by negative 8 is positive 3, and for the z we get 3 take away. This would be a 1, so 3z to the power of 2. With c, I'm going to be simplifying my coefficients together, and then also my power with an x and my power with an x. You'll notice that negative 48 and 72 don't evenly divide like the coefficients did in a and b. So instead of just evenly dividing them, we'll have to take this fraction and reduce it. So I'm actually going to reduce it in my calculator. So negative 48 divided by 72. You'll see that comes out to a fraction, and then we can use the math button and number 1 to change it into a fraction in the most reduced form. So I'm going to replace negative 48 over 72 with negative 2 over 3. And then when I see x to the power of 5 and x to the power of 4, we're going to be able to subtract those exponents. So I would probably rewrite this as negative 2. It's like x to the power of 1, or just x, over 3. For d, we'll be able to simplify powers with the same base together. So I'll be able to simplify the powers with the base of a together, and then powers with the base of b together. So I would go a, 6 minus 4, b, 6 minus 3, so a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3. For e, I'll be simplifying 15 over 20, putting my powers with the base of s together, and putting my powers with the base of t together. You'll notice that 15 and 20 do not really evenly divide each other, so we're going to have to reduce them just like we did with c. So you could again put it in your calculator. If you wanted to reduce by hand, 15 over 20, have this common factor of 5, so divide out your 5, and that's 3 over 4. So either way of reducing would be totally fine. So I'm going to replace 15 over 20 with 3 over 4. And for the s, the powers with a base of s, we'll take 7 minus 3, and then t, 2 minus 2. And let's put that all together. 3s, 7 minus 3 is 4, t, I guess 0. And I can actually rewrite this a little bit more simplified because we know that t to the power of 0 is 1. So that kind of disappears. We don't need to write it. Over 4.